Hey beauties, it is your favorite girl, Jessica Nicole, and in today's video we will be playing around with the new 3503 by Morphe. This palette is so beautiful. I did not want to buy it after I bought the Fenty foundation and the Jackie Aina palette, but when I saw the palette I just knew that it had to be in my collection of palettes. Yeah, I'm just showing you guys a look with the palette. I've worn the palette before and posted pictures on it, so there's not much to say about it but that I love it. It is pigmented, has a little bit of kickback, but that's basically it. So yeah, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before I get into this video, I want to shout out my gang. I love y'all so much. You guys are my heart, my soul, and everything in this world. Your support means everything to me. I love y'all with all of me. But yeah, if you want to be shouted out in my next video, be the first 2 people to comment down below that you're a part of my gang, and I will post your comment. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and enjoy. Okay, dokie. We are starting off with a freshly moisturized face along with my under eyes and my lips, feeling very plump and luscious. Don't mind the middle of my forehead, okay? Been through some stuff and now it's breaking out. I can't, okay? I cannot bother. But we're just gonna go straight into doing my eyes. I'm doing my eyes before my face just because I have used this palette before and I don't want any fallout on my face. And the powder under the eye trick, don't really love it, not a fan. Okay, so I have one eye like primed and stuff. That's because I decided to do one eye off camera and come back and show you how I achieved it, just because I don't know what I'm going to do. But before I do that, even though I look crazy, I just wanted to show you guys this beautiful palette. It is fresh off the runway, okay? Fresh. So this is a really pretty palette. This color right here, you guys know I'm not going to touch because I don't like glitter, pressed or not. But I do want to play with the pinks, the oranges, the green especially. And I like that it has warm browns in it. I've used it recently, and if you didn't see, I posted a boomerang and a picture on Instagram right here. Okay, of my bomb ass look that I created. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye off camera, see what I want to do with this, and I'll be right back. So look at my fucking bonnet, ghetto. Alright, but I am back with one eye done and my strawberry acai that's almost done, but this is giving me all the energy I need. I've been up all day and I'm doing this for you guys. But anyway, we're going to get this on this eye. I feel like this looks like some form of candy. So to prime my lids, I like to use the Infallible Full Wear Concealer because it is bomb and it conceals my eyes really well. I'm going to go in with this Y15 brush and I'm just going to tap this into my lid. I've been acting up. I don't know why I didn't do this on this eye and then do, but it is what it is. Whatever shadows I use, I will try my best to say the name and also be in one of the corners of the screen with a heart over the color. That's if you're new here. Hi. I always start with my crease, so I'm going to use my M514 brush, and I'm going to go into this beautiful pink shade, and it is in the color, in the name Unstoppable. We're not going to keep this, okay? Morphe, put the name on a palette, please. You guys pick and choose what palettes to do it on. I need the name on the palette. So I'm going in with Unstoppable, and I'm going to build this color up because I want it to show. I want that strawberry looking crease that I have going on over here. I'm going to go in with this R38, and I'm going to go into the orange that's next to it, which is the color Explode. I'm going to go in with that first, and I'm just going to blend that on the outside of the first shade, which was my crease color. I'm not going too crazy with this color because this palette's pigmented. I had to do a lot of fixing the last time I used this. I wasn't expecting what I got out of this palette. Then, I'm gonna go into this peachy orangey shade in the palette just to blend close to my brow, and this is in Flame Game. It's just to diffuse the orange a bit, and I am bringing that down just to blend the two shades together. I'm gonna follow with my M506, one of my favorite brushes, and I'm gonna go into the color Warning Label, which is this like really deep, I guess like cranberry shade. I don't know what's going on in the corner of my bedroom, but I'm in the house by myself, so I better not got no ghost, because I ain't moving. I just got here. After I did that, I followed with Jolt, which is this deep like gray toned brown, and this was just to deepen this crease a lot so that when I cut the crease I have like that little, you know, that little the line. And follow with a little bit more of Unstoppable because that color is so freaking pretty. Alright, do these look similar? So now to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the white concealer from Morphe. So to cut my crease, I'm going to use this M421. I ain't going front. This cut is clean. We're going to go back into the M506, and on the outside of this eye, we're going to go back into Jolt and just tap this on for our outside. Be careful because this color is insanely, this palette is like so pigmented. I underestimated it. That same orange shade, and I'm just going to tap that next to it. And I'm using the M456. I'm gonna go back in with Unstoppable in my M514, and I'm just gonna tap that in between the two colors. Don't mind that little thing you got going on. I'm gonna go in with the green shade that I have on my lid, which is the shimmery one, which is called Power Play. So a little trick that I do to make sure that I don't go outside my cut crease, I use the M156, which is this dual-ended brush right here. Sorry that you can't see it, my camera's focused on me. So I use the shorter side of this brush, and I use that to get close to the line I created. And I just take my time filling in that little space. There we we go. And then I just go to the other side of the brush, which is to the side, and I just fill the rest of that in. Alright, so that's what we got so far. So now we're going to create our double wing. So first things first, I'm going to start out with my Morphe gel liner. This is in Jet. Love this gel liner. And then for the second part, the double wing, I actually took a sample of the Suva Beauty liner from work. I have the pink one, and I don't remember the name of this one, but I will write it in the description down below. And the Suva Beauty liner brush in 610, and I'm just going to use that and create my double wing. What I like about this is that it's water activated, so you don't have to worry about this ever drying out on you. I will say it is a little tricky. You have to learn how to work with it, and I've taught myself, so I'm kind of happy. But bruh, first couple times, man. Pop on my lash. And this lash is from Morphe as well, and this is the lash in Eye Traction. I don't know what's been going on with my left eye, but it's been watering like crazy. So if this messed up, that's because my eye's been watering. Alright, so for foundation today, we are using the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in $3.85. Also going to put literally a drop of 520 from the Loreal Infallible foundation. So for concealer, I'm going to use my Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I'm only putting this under my eyes and on my forehead. I'm leaving my chin and to set everything in place, I'm using the Fit Me Loose Powder. I really like this right now, and this is in the shade medium. I'm just going to use that same sponge and set my under eye. I'm using my E41 along with my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. You guys know I love this powder, to set the rest of my face. I'm going to let my foundation sit while I finish off my eyebrows. I'm going to go back in with Java to outline the top of my brow. And I'm going to use Mocha to fill everything. This dark purple color in Hypnotic, I'm just going to put that right under my lash line. I'm not going to put anything in my waterline, being that my eyes acting up. Then I'm going to go on top of that with that cranberry looking shade in Warning Labels. I'm going to use my Glamour Bronze Face and Body Bronzer from Morphe. Just bronze up my skin with my M527. The inner corner of my eye, hopefully this stays, I'm going to use the orange shade in Embers. So on my lips, I use the Fenty gloss along with a little bit of this Kourt K pencil, just to give my lip a little bit of color. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I apologize that we went through what we went through, so don't look at this eye, just look at this one. But, you know, it happens. I don't know what's going on with my eye, but I promise next time we're gonna have perfection. But this is really, I think is really cute. I will wear this again. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias, and I'll see y'all in my next video.